We want to convert a coordinate that is global to this entire renderable space known as the DOM, which is a 3x3 grid of level packs. We want to convert that to a coordinate that is local to a single level, like this blue and black section here. So in order to do that, let's get into the code before we run out of time. So in the top level types, this is our global tile coordinate. It has a tile size, global tile x, global tile y. We want to convert it to a local tile coordinate that has a tile size exponent, a hotel cell x and y, a room cell x and y, and a local tile x and y. So in TileBoy, in our conversion function we've been working on, we're going to carry over the tile size and global x and y to shorthand variables, and then we're going to do the math down here. So we're going to get the span of a single level in tiles here, multiply by 5 to get the span in tiles of a single level pack, which is a 5x5 grid of levels. We're going to take the global tile x, global tile y, divide by that hot span and floor it to get the hotel 3x, 3y, which is which hotel are we in that 3x3 grid of hotels, aka level packs. Then we're going to get a coordinate local to a single level pack, a single hotel, by taking the hotel span, multiplying by h3x, h3y, and chopping this anti-remainder off from GTX, GTY. Then we want to figure out which room, aka which level we're in. So we're going to take HLX, HLY, divide by the local span, and floor it to get which room we're in. Then we're going to take the room coordinate, multiply by the number of tiles in a single room, aka a single level. We're going to take this anti-remainder, chop it off from HLX, HLY to get local tile X, local tile Y, and then we're going to carry over all these calculations into the member variables of the same name for our output object local tile coordinate. We also made some mistakes in this isolated bilateral code here. Mermaid with an I, not an E. Same thing here with the isolated for the radial. Mermaid with an E, not an I. And then what we did previously, footnotes, and what we did in this video. So like, subscribe, send money in the mail. If you want a longer explanation, go here.